Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anique. How y'all doing? Oh whatever. How y'all doing? Oh whatever. Hey, 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 hey. Let's get it. How y'all doing? Oh whatever. How y'all doing? Oh whatever. Hey, 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 hey. How y'all doing? Oh whatever. How y'all doing? Oh whatever. Hey, 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 hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anique. Welcome guys. In today's video we are doing our week 1 and 2 check-in because I wasn't here for the beginning of the month. I think I'm gonna say that until September's over. Like, I just wasn't here for the beginning of the month. So, you know, the routine is not routining. So your girl is getting it together, basically. And we are going through to make sure that we are still keeping up with the budgets, child. So we're going to be going over week 1 and week 2 expenses to make sure that we are still doing what needs to be done, because it's very important. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, aka leave your 2 cents down below to my 98 cents so we can make $1, because we can do a lot with $1. And then subscribe to the channel, okay? And if you do enjoy it over here, hit that subscribe button and we will get into the video. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so I don't think this is gonna be a long video, but you know, I may be lying. Okay, I'm just out the past, so I say I ain't gonna be here for a long time, but baby, 6 hours later. Okay, but let's get into it. So the first thing in purple are my bills that are paid, and then in pink are my cash envelopes that were used for the first 2 weeks in September. Okay, so I basically go through and basically I'm balancing my books to make sure that what's in my bank account and what I spent both matches, or what's in my cash envelope and what I spent matches as well. So the first thing is Patreon. As you guys know, or if you don't know, my bills account started this month with $2,900. Last month it was $2,700, but we did do an increase, and so I spent $1,750 on Patreon. So $2,900 minus $1,750, and that left $2,882.50. Actually, I'm gonna write all of these out except for my grocery, except for my cash envelopes, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all because I don't need y'all just sitting here going through all of this with me. You feel me? Okay, so enjoy the fast part of the video. Okay, y'all, so I just finished writing out everything because, baby, that would have been a long time talking and everything going through it without the numbers numbering right here in your face. So, where were we? Patreon. So, Patreon, $17, leave me $2,802.50. Then I paid my mortgage, I paid HOA, I paid the internet, I paid HOA, I paid pest control, I'm sorry. I paid the internet, I paid HOA of $50, I paid Apple One of $24.41, and Apple Care of $8.55. If you guys know, those usually come out at the end of the month. But what I do is that I put money on my Apple Cash. I put money in Apple Cash, and I take out my credit card off of my phone, my iPad, my computer. I take it off so that I can't spend, you know, because my card is available electronically, because, you know, Apple Wallet. But I don't put my credit card or debit card on my Apple account, so that the only money I have to spend is my Apple Cash money. And so that is why I spent it at the beginning of the month, because I put Apple Cash on that, so it pays for those bills at the end of the month. Okay, side note while we at it, y'all, while I was minding my business as I should, I was checking my Apple Cash because baby check everything, you know, periodically. I was checking it and it was down like $32.09. And I said, hold up now, hold up. A pimp is pimping, but we ain't pimping like that. We ain't just giving away money, okay? A player is playing, but they ain't doing all that, okay? No games in this moment. So my bank account, my Apple Cash was at like, I don't know, $2. And I was like, wait up, it's supposed to be at like 33, 34 because, you know, it pays for these too. Only to call for them to tell me that the transaction that I did on the vacation for reading, you know, because I bought the books online, there was like, it came out my account. I said, wait up, my boy. Okay, this was a systematic error. I paid for one. It's already on my bank statement. Like, I didn't charge the other one, so this was a system delay. Run me back my stuff, and they did. So, I do have my Apple Cash now, so it won't affect my budget because, child, I was like, y'all playing with my girl. Y'all playing with my money, okay? Y'all playing with my money, okay? So that got fixed and now we back, child. Let me just check it on here just so we can see what's in the bank account or it's in the Apple Wallet, because child, we ain't got no time. Okay, there we go. See the cash, $32.96, y'all. $32.96. And see the $32, focus, come on now, pick a problem. Okay, there we go. So $32.44 is what I added, and then this is where they took the $32.09, and I was like, baby, whose money? Okay, run me back. And so they gave it to me for $32.09, and now I have $32.96, which pays for my Apple Care and Apple One. So we good, y'all. But baby, I said, hold up, y'all tried it, y'all did. Side note, because I don't think I told y'all in my budget closeout or anything, you know, because last month too early, this month was doing what it was doing. But my pest control, y'all, so for whatever reason I was paying 2 pest controls last month for whatever reason, and I was like, baby girl, no ma'am, no miss ma'am. So I called both pest control people and I was like, hey, what does this one do? What does that one do? You know, boom, bada bang. And I did a cost comparison and value comparison, you know, what I'm paying for versus what I'm getting. Child, only to find out that the new pest people is not giving what they're supposed to give like the old pest people. So I was like, we ain't doing that. I want to cancel. Called them, try to cancel, and they was like, there's a cancellation fee. I said, hold up, wait a minute, because I specifically asked for this. And they was like, no girl, you paying this money. So in my debt increase that happened, of course I had to pay my car insurance, which was, you know, a one-time payment, which your girl was not prepared for financially, but tomato. But I also had to pay this pest control people $150 something or $170 something, if I remember correctly, on top of the $250 that I had to pay for the cancellation fee, because I'm not paying 2. And the calculation for like 4 more months of services versus canceling, I think it was 4 or 6 more months of services and canceling, there was a difference. I would have paid like $450, $500 for keeping the service for the next like 4 or 6 months versus just canceling for $250 and not paying those, you know. So I'm going to receive the same services from my current pest control people, and I was like, no. So bad business, but whatever. I am going to move on and learn the lesson, you know. It's cool, but my pest now is back to $66.73 and not the $200 and some dollars I was paying per month for no reason. So that was another reason why my credit card was increasing too, because I was paying 2 pest control, and the second one was like $150, $170. Child, who does that? But anyways, that's neither here nor there. Okay, so now we are going to go into the cash envelopes portion of, girl, what you spent your money on. So child, there I was minding my business with $150 for groceries, okay? Living my life like it's going, living my life, you know, all of that. Just to go to Rouse's grocery store and spend $10 of stuff, but gave $15 in money, okay? So the little what's them table called? Those a rolling table where we put all our groceries on. Don't remember what it is now, child. But I was there and I was taking out my cash, out my money, and I set it on the thing and it was rolling. And so it rolled and rolled and rolled until it went under that thing and we couldn't see the money no more. So I lost $5, child. Basically gave it away. So I spent $15 at Rouse's instead of spending 10. And you know, I would have preferred I didn't spend the 10, didn't spend the 15, but you know, life be lifing and shit happens. It's a quote. So that's what I'm gonna go with, and that's what I'm sticking with. You know, it is what it is. Then excuse me, then after Rouse's I went to Walmart because I only needed 2 small things out of Rouse's. I went to Walmart and I ended up spending $100 how much did I spend at Walmart? $113, I want to say. Hold on, y'all. I want to make sure that I am saying the right thing. $112. That's how much I ended up spending at Walmart. So I spent $112 at Walmart. So now that left me with, ooh, this is supposed to be 135. Shoot. 112 1. Oh, there's no way to correct that like that. Okay, so I'm gonna put that right here. Okay, that's supposed to be $135, and so that left me with $23 to work with. Okay. And so from groceries, from the $23 that I had left over, I used $3 at Great American Cookies. That is my cookie place. Okay, get into her. I love her, but I really go there for ice cream. I don't really go there for the cookies, except for the red velvet one. If y'all have not had a red velvet one, child, please get into it. So I spent $3 at Great American Cookies, and so that left me with $20 in groceries for the second week. And I think I actually spent groceries again. So groceries is done. I didn't go to the store, but it's done in use. So yeah, $23, $20. Then my allowance. So my allowance, I started off with $10. And at Great American Cookies, I spent $4. Now, the reason that I spent $4 out of my allowance for Great American Cookies and left back with $6 is because I actually went to a mini league football game where we had to pay $3 to get in, but it was me and my coworker, and at the time she didn't have cash on her, so, and obviously cash envelope stuffing, baby, I had cash, so I paid for both of us, and that was a $6, and that made me have a $0 in allowance. I'd actually paid for the football game first, but I just wanted Great American Cookies beside each other both. So I went to the football game, paid $6, and that's how I ended up with $4 in my allowance left over. And then I used the $4 and $3 from groceries to buy my ice cream from Great American Cookies, from the GAC. That's what I like to call it. So, yeah, and so that's how I ended up with $0. Lastly, I bought gas on base. I budgeted, if I'm not mistaken, $60. Let me verify, child. Let me verify. Okay, this is what you got to do. Yep, I budgeted $60 for gas, and I spent all 60. Indeed, spent 60, and so $0. And then I came back again, and I went back into my groceries because, child, we had $0 in groceries. I think I went back to Walmart for chips and something one night. So we're gonna say, like, what day was that? What day was that? I think it was like the 14th. So on the 14th, we went to groceries for Walmart, and we spent that $20. And so now your girl spent $20. and that's how we ended up with 0. Okay, so it is what it is. So that was basically all of my expenses for week 1 and week 2, tracking all my stuff, making sure that we are keeping up with what we spent, you know, so we know where every bit of our money went. But yeah guys, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave your 2 cents down below in the comment section. Onto mine, I need a cent so we can make $1. And I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button, joining the family, seeing how we do over here, because we would love to have you. It is beautiful, y'all, and we are keeping up with everything. And yeah, again, my name is Anique. Child, why are you doing this on here? Why is you... Don't you just hate when your thing be embarrassing you? Like, why would you embarrass me like that? Embarrassing. Just embarrassing. Don't do that. Go over there. I'm doing the most. Embarrassing. I don't know what's up with it. Why it's... I think it's where the thingamajiggy is. There we go. It was where the little inside spiral was. But yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and share this video with a family, friend, or foe. And I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button. My name is Anique. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing, but she